think what really brings me joy from working at Honda is the ability for us to propose new things, experiment, try new things. And that's what's led to fun products like Moto Compacto and Base Station and stuff I can't tell you about yet. I think my passion for art and design predates my ability to form memories. I just remember being a kid and having paper and pencils and crayons around me.
As a designer, I very much have like a set of papers with chicken scratch doodles on them. They're not the most perfect sketches, but they're to rough out an idea of how I intend on building something.
I was lucky to be in high school in kind of an early era of 3D printers and rapid prototyping. It sort of started to cross into my mind that you can still be artistic, but you can actually channel that to create things that help people.
For me, I think inspiration comes from pretty much anywhere. One of my favorite things to do is to go explore new places and try new foods.
For Honda, what design really means is taking the opportunity to look at a lot of social changes, technology changes, and we say, here's what we think the biggest problems people are facing today, and here's what we think will be different in 10 years.
And it's that kind of foggy lens where you don't ever really know what the future holds, but our task is to try to understand it as best we can.
My goal as a designer is to try to design products that bring more positive experiences into their life, because life can be hard. When you see a product for the first time, what is the first reaction, like immediate reaction people have? But also like when they're using it, how does it make them feel?
We're all trying to create something that makes people's lives better.
Honda's history is really full of experimentation. You know, Honda started making gaskets for motors and then started making bikes with motors and then motorcycles and then cars, power equipment and all this other stuff. So we have 50-year history of creating new things, and we're trying to continue that legacy.